Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for Jan 8th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We saw another low volume, sort of choppy day, but by the end of it, it was the third straight day of higher closes here for Wall Street. The Dow was up 256 points, while the S&P 500 managed to gain 25 points. The Nasdaq was higher by 73, and the Russell 2000 closed higher by 21 points. So more follow through there. It certainly is a good sign here for equities. Now the bond market closed slightly lower, and the yield on the 10-year note is now up to 2.728%. Crude oil climbed again as well, up $1.16 or a little over 2%. While gold pulled back about $3.70, mostly due to some strength here in the U.S. dollar. The U.S. dollar is at a critical level here right now. You can see if you look to your left on the daily chart, there's significant support at this level. So not surprising that we saw a bit of a bounce there for the dollar today. Now, the retail sector was in the news today, not all positive. There was one glimmer of hope, and that was for Sears Holdings. A bankruptcy judge, granted Chairman Eddie Lampert another chance to buy the company, gave him a deadline for tomorrow afternoon. I believe it's at 4 p.m. Eastern to come up with $120 million to save the company. And I mean, certainly this has been just a brutal decline. What I wanted to show you was the monthly chart here. And you can see we were at 195 back in 07 and are now sitting at 12 cents. So hopefully it can be salvaged there. The other piece of news had to do with JCPenney. And JCPenney today after market close reported holiday sales numbers, same store sales numbers that were actually lower by 3.5%. So far in the after hours market, it really hasn't dropped much. It's been pretty much where it closed, but even that, closing lower by another 5.5%. It's now at $1.21. Looking at the monthly chart, here it is, that dropped from 87. So, certainly these have really fallen off a cliff. Hopefully there will be some upside there, but at this point, no signs of a bottom just yet. So if you plan to trade the retailers, be very careful in doing so. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.